Okay, guys, what are we gonna call this?
The boat video.
The boat video?
Video. Yeah.
And who's it for?
Grandpa.
All right.
No, I don't want.
Go.
So my boat is brown and blue and orange and green and blue.
Hi, my boat has pink, purple, lots and lots of colors, and even stickers too.
And stickers too.
Is there anything else you want to say for Grandpa Tony?
It has a rat on it
Mine has a rat too.
with my name.
So let them know you're going to send it so that you can get a closer look.
Oh, I am going to send. Look,
How are you gonna send it?
I'm gonna send it in the mail,
Me.
and I'm gonna do this.
Nice. And you put it in an envelope?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm good at mine and
Then it's gonna sail and sail and sail.
Let
all
someone
the way
finish
to
his
your
sentence.
house.
So what were you saying?
It will drive into the mailbox and then go open the doors and grab it.
All right.
Okay.
Good stuff, guys. 3, 3.
Bye bye.